is up, everyone? Welcome back to Unleashed Quality. My name is Shubh, and we have a unique topic to discuss today: Academy Award Syndrome. So, let's get started. So, the Academy Award Syndrome is where a program or a project is launched to much fanfare and expenses and ceremony. But 6 months later, all that remains is a bunch of expensive and unused workbooks, faded bunch of posters, and even more cynical and jaded bunch of employees than what we had before. In our society, we are generally becoming more cynical. We are certainly overwhelmed with the launches of new initiatives from our politicians, from companies that are trying to sell us new products, and the daily media cycle that supports these launches. Within a company, a new project or initiative, right, that we are all enthusiastic about is probably not the first that has ever occurred. If previous initiatives have been launched and then abandoned, our employees can be very cynical and this can cripple our entire program or entire project, or maybe the company itself. When we launch a big initiative in the textbook way, as prescribed in many books written by the Toyota production system, we have our top management announce it to show their commitment. Then we have training, we have posters, we have t-shirts, lunches, and videos. Right? T-shirt is a very common thing that companies do. And I'm not kidding here, most of us have seen this. Now what happens? There are two distinct effects that are produced. First, a lot of time and money is spent designing the right t-shirt, video, and poster so that all the brand themes are consistent and cultural subtleties about appropriate colors are observed. The list of ways to paralyze the program before it begins is long. The knock-on effects are to delay the start of the program, spend money before we have made it, and frustrate the people who ultimately have to do the work to make it all happen. Meanwhile, our focused, effective competitor is 6 months further down the track and we have not even organized the kickoff barbecue party. The second distinct effect that's produced for our employees who have seen improvement programs come and go like 4 seasons. First, sit back and wait to see if this thing will also die the same way as all others did, actively resist just to be proven right, or have a negative perception about the project before it has started or before it's going to start. All of these things spell one word, that's death. So what do we do differently? How do we improvise? How do we make a change? The effect we want to generate is a change in behaviors that quickly produce improved results. That's it. Then we want to repeat that effect every hour, every day, and goes on forever. We start by just introducing 1 or 2 changes in how we work, staying focused on those changes until we see the effects we want to see appear. Then we introduce a few more and a few more eventually. The point here is that we go about this in a low-key, result-focused and supportive fashion. The ultimate compliment we can be paid is when one of our people or employees say something like production, quality, safety, housekeeping, all these seem to be better, cleaner and quieter. Not sure what is happening differently. That's when they start loving their job. That's when the curiosity rises, and that's when we inch towards success. Actors collect their Academy Awards after the movie is released. We should do the same for ourselves. So that's what the Academy Award Syndrome is in the corporate sector. Please like the video if you learned something new, and do subscribe to my channel, and also comment below about your thoughts on this syndrome. Until next time, this is Shubh signing off. Have a great day. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.